My name is Sophia Moore.
My name is Vilma Smith.
Doretha Turner.
Hyacinth Forrester.
Edith Diamond, I'm 82.
It's 81.
76.
81.
79 years of age.
The first CD they made was wonderful, and I liked it. But after a while, I was asked, when I joined the center, after I retired, I was asked to join the band.
I was at another center at a party, and it was a lady there that was, oh, I have to leave because I have to get to my pan class. She was, and I said, pan class? And she explained to me, I said, oh, I love that music. I love to dance that music. I want to join. When? So she told me when, and I came and I joined. And I was very excited about it.
I saw their picture in the newspaper, the Daily News. They had something like a special section, and they showed them. So I said, I'm going to call and find out.
Well, I came to the senior center. My brother came here before I did, and I came here and I liked it. I didn't know anything about pans before I came here. We play a lot of songs, and I do a lot of chords. Yeah, keep the music going.
I had a stroke, and I was in Kingsbrook Jewish Medical Center. I was paralyzed on the right side. I heard that they would be starting the band down here. And when I came down, and I looked around and saw what was happening, I said, well, this is for me.
1, 2, 3. Well, this group been in existence for 13 years now. Miss Claudette Macy, the one that introduced the steel band to the center. And it really was a task of she getting me to do this stuff because I thought it was a joke. And after 3 weeks, this lady called me on the phone and like, the only thing she didn't say to me was like, the bad words. I came here and, you know, check it out and then, brought a lot of steel drums here, and then we started a workshop. And from there, that's where everything started to gel, you know.
It improved my movements, the exercising, because I had therapy for 3.5 years. And this has helped it immensely.
I put the aging process mentally on the back burner. That's what I did, so I could do what I had to do. And I didn't feel like I retired because I had to keep up with everything, and I didn't feel retired. I just wasn't ready to sit down and be a potato. You know what I mean? I could contribute, and I was very excited.
I had to memorize and think about the next movement in a piece. Lately, I've been memorizing my music without playing. And I never really thought that I could memorize, but this has made me do it, and I'm very proud that I can do it.
Mentally, it's great. Physically, I mean, I'm okay physically. You probably noticed that I have a tremor, slight tremor. The only thing that it may have done is I don't roll as well as I used to.
Being in a group helps to stimulate your mind, your spirit, and it keeps you active because you have to go to meetings, you have to go to practice, and it gives you something to do every day.
In a group, you have to think of the other person. It's just not a single thing, it's a camaraderie. And if you all participate together, then you have a fantastic group.
This is my family. Instead of sitting down, start feeling sorry for yourself, I feel that you get up, you fight, and you help yourself. If not, I wouldn't be where I am today.
We have one founding member, the only founding member from day one when the band was formed. And that's this young lady here, Miss Hyacinth Forrester. And she's here with us, and let's give her a round of applause.
Getting out is the greatest thing you could do.
It helps the mind and it helps the body too. So it's a good thing. You want to get up in the morning and come on down here and meet our instructor.
They learn so fast. I was very impressed. The women were just grasping it quick. Miss Sophia Moore, when she came here, she never did any music in her life. And she was like tone deaf, but now she's one of the better players. Being here, I learned to tie my tongue a lot. So I've learned a lot being around, being around here.